Okay, prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? A number which has only two factors, one and itself is called the prime number. Example, 2, 1, it goes into a number must be divisible by only two numbers, that is 1 and itself only. 2 goes in one table and two table. 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. There are no possibilities. What about 3? 1 3s are 3 1s are 5, 5 1s are 1 5s are 7, 7 1s are 1 7s are 11, 11 1s are 1 11s are 13 1s are 1s 13s are. So all these are called the prime numbers which are having only two factors, those are 1 and itself. Now composite number which is not a prime number, simply generally we can say instead of that composite number which has 3 or more factors, means that number should be divisible by another number except 1 and itself. More than that, 3 factors. A number which has only 3 or more factors is called composite number. The smallest composite number is 4. The smallest composite number is 4. 4 goes in one table, 1 4s are 4 1s are. More than that, 2 table, 2 2s are 4, it goes. So that it is a composite. 6, 1 6 are 6 1s are. And more than that, 2 3s are 6. 2 and 3, 2 more factors we are, 4 factors we are getting for this. For these 3 factors, 8, 1 8s are 8 1s are. More than that, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8. More than here also 4 factors. 9, 1 9s, 9 1s and 3 3s are another number we are getting. So that these are the composite numbers. Now basic, what is that? Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. This is a theorem of 1.2 in our textbook. Theorem 1.2, that one is a fundamental theorem of arithmetic. What is the definition of the fundamental arithmetic theorem? Every composite number, every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime numbers. And this factorization is unique. For every number can be expressed as only prime factors once. That is unique. Okay, that is unique. From the order in which it is apart from the order, means however it is written, 2 3s are 2 3 4, 2 into 2 into 3, 3 into 2 into 2, like that you can write. Order is not mandatory, no need, but which the prime factors occur here. Example, for example 6. What are the factors of 6? 1 into 6 we can write, or 6 1s are. Now 2 3s are 6, or 3 2s are. So here 2 into 3 is called 2 and 3. These are the two prime numbers. This 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. Here 1 is not prime. So 1 is 1. Here it is not there, here it is not there. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Not a prime number. 1 is not a prime number. 1 is not a composite number. 6 is a 2 3s. This is a unique. Another number can't be written like this. This number only has 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. This is the example 1. One more example. For example 12. 1 12s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 2 into 2 into 3s are 12. These many. 1 is a factor. 4 is a factor. 12 is a factor. 3 is a factor. 2 is a factor. 2 is a factor. 3 is a factor. In which table we will get? The table is called simply factor. Now see this. 12 can be written as 1 into 12 or 12 into 1. 12. 4 3s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 12. This 4 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Now 2 is a prime. 2 is prime. 3 is prime. This is called prime factorization. Here, this is a unique way. In the order 3 into 2 into 2 you can write, no problem here. 2 into 3 into 2. Whatever you write, that is apart from the order, that is order. So no, whatever it is, 2 into 2 into 3 or 2 into 3 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 2 into 2 can be written, whatever it is. But here, apart from the order, apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Whatever the prime numbers occur here, order is not mandatory, but we have to write in the order, then it's very easy to identify. Irrespective of the order, we can write. Okay now? So this is the prime factorization. 2 into 2 into 3. This is the prime factorization. This is every composite number. Every composite number. Take any numbers. Take some numbers from this. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. This is a composite number expressed as the product of primes. This is a composite number expressed as a product of primes. And 28. You can take that to 28 for example. 128 also can be written as 2 14s 28. 2 into 14 can be written as 2 7s. So now 2 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number. Therefore, we can say that for 28, 2, 2, 2, 7, these are the prime factorization. Okay, you can find some more prime factorizations for the composite numbers. Okay, thank you.